We're on the apple coaster in the sky. Are you ready, Becca?
I am.
This is a very unique attraction at Codonas. It's a family roller coaster, but in the sky, as it says, apple coaster in the sky. And you'll see in a minute why it's called that. 'Cause at the moment it seems like a normal roller coaster, a normal caterpillar coaster, but it's a lot more higher than most of them. And you're going to see why in a minute. It's probably the highest caterpillar in Scotland anyway. Because look at how high we are for a kids roller coaster. Because we're on top of the roof of a building. Yeah, good views of Aberdeen though. Hey Becca. Are you ready? Up and down on the caterpillar. 3, 2, 1, everybody see apple coaster. Whee! Yeah. I'll scream on the next round. We broke down, haven't we? Nah, we haven't broke down, just kidding. It looked like it though. Now for lap 2. Ready to scream, here comes the drop. It's much more faster than that last bit. We're getting one more time. Nah. 2 lap special. Oh, are we going to get in? Are we? Yes, we're going to get a 3rd time. Yes. It's a 3 lap special, everybody. 3 laps, 3 laps. That's us.